way the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Oh oh, bumper expose and girl, you got the chest out, but you know we a soft, cause girl, you empress out. And if it is out of me, if it is out, cause I got the remedy for make you de-stress out. Me have a flat to become me God bless out. And girl, if you want it, you have to control.
I'm just afraid to let go. You decide if you ever gonna let me know. Suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, you know, yeah. I'm sad, you know, yeah.
I'm ready, pull up on her with the Chevy, real talk when the lights turn green. Like, give me what I asked for, I got a passport. Mr. International, I hit the airport. If you knew the kind of work that I transport, that Rihanna do me just to the crash course. I like the cleanest, leanest, I'm in the Venus, flow a genius, smoking beans. You never seen this, I have a dream this. There's 200 on the dash, got me Venus. I'm tryna ride out, slide out, ride strikes and the 500 vibe out, ride out, shout out, I be the honey gon' ride out.
Since the day I met you, thinking about the things I've never thought that I'd be going through. Talking to the mirror, looking at my fucking real view. Then you by my side too, got me feeling like I'm dreaming. And I just woke up, happened to found you. Dancing, laughing and the masking, yeah. Desire, you're a fucking liar. I told you baby don't do, never ever lie to someone who tasted the pain of the old and it did the tattoo. Never lie to me. Somebody to love. We all need somebody. We all need somebody. I know that you can do it all by yourself. You probably really don't need my help, but we all need somebody to love. Can we just talk? Can we just talk?